Hello friends, Dr. Shubham Negi here. Today I am going to give you information about omega-3 fatty acids. Now first of all, we should know what are fats. Uh, Fatty acids long chain, they form fats, like amino acids long chain, they form proteins. So we have two type of fats, good fats and bad fats, but mostly we think that fats are not good for health. It's not like that. There are some kinds of fats which are very good for health. So basically good fats, the omega-3 fatty acid is an example of good fat. In bad fats we have saturated fat, cholesterol and all this, all which is not healthy for our body. So omega-3 fatty acid is a very important fatty acid. It is a very essential fatty acid because it is not formed by our body. It is needed to be taken by or in our diet. According to American Heart Association, at least 2 serving of fatty fish is per week required for getting the adequate amount of fatty acid in this in our body. Now omega-3 fatty acid plays a very important role for proper functioning of various systems in our body, like cardiovascular system, right? In that is basically heart and our blood pressure, blood vessels. It helps for the proper functioning of heart and blood vessels. Our nervous system, brain, means 60% of our brain is made up of fats, right? So basically, first of all, I will talk about the sources of omega-3 fatty acids. Like first of all, the main source of omega-3 fatty acid is means fishes. Fish, mainly like salmon, tuna, etc. These are the fishes which are main source of fatty acids. Now omega-3 fatty acid has a very plays very physiological role in cell membrane of the human body. Cell membrane is made up of fats, and omega-3 is one of the very important fatty acid for proper integrity and maintaining fluidity of cell membrane. Now cell membrane is a membrane which will allow whatever has to be enter in the cell or whatever has not to be. So like vitamin, which are fat soluble vitamins, which are very important, they will enter into the cell via the cell membrane, because as cell membrane is made up of fats, lipid. So if there will be deficiency or there will be lack of this omega-3 fatty acid, then there will be improper functioning of the cell, and improper functioning of cell can lead to various type of health related issues and even various other dangerous diseases. Now omega-3 fatty acid is again very plays an important role in prevention of heart attack or blood related, like hypertension, blood pressure. How? Because foam cells, which are very formed in the wall of the blood vessels, they will again lead to formation of plaques, because when the low density lipoprotein, which is bad cholesterol, that rised in our body, so there will be formation of plaques in the blood vessels, and which will lead to narrowing of the blood vessels, means the passage of the blood vessels, the diameter of that blood vessel will be decreased due to deposition of plaques in the blood vessels due to high low density lipoproteins or cholesterol, and this will lead to decrease in the blood circulation of the various organs, and if it will occur in the heart, it will lead to heart attack, or in medical term we say it myocardial infarction. So other it can, even due to narrowing of the blood vessels, the pressure of blood is raised and it can cause high blood pressure also. But what does omega-3 fatty acid does? Now omega-3 fatty acid reduces the formation of foam cells, right? Next important role of omega-3 fatty acid is in 60% of our brain is made up of fat. So omega-3 fatty acid is very important for healthy functioning of the fat brain, right? Next, if I talk about joints, so synovial fluid, you might have heard about this. It is a fluid, it is a liquid which is present between two joints, and it helps in proper functioning and movement of the joint. And this joint particular, which is like synovial fluid, helps in the proper functioning of joints. Now omega-3 fatty acids help in the formation of this synovial fluid also, so it can prevent various joint related diseases like arthritis, most common, like other autoimmune diseases also, right? So omega-3 fatty acid plays a very important role. It is very essential fatty acid, as already I told you, because it is not present in our it is not manufactured by our body. So the daily the intake of omega-3 fatty acids can help us to prevent various diseases.